It's 2019 now.
We're switching things up a little bit. What we're doing instead of one big shipping crate calendar is we're doing a bunch of little small things and then PR gifts from, you know, companies and such. So we got these small ones, and then we got those.
Most of the PR stuff is going to be presents for Micah and Luca, which is right there. You just can't see them.
Hi. Merry Christmas, Luca.
Make sure you subscribe because we'll be uploading 24 of these videos for each day of December, counting down the days to Christmas, like last year, but with more advent calendars.
And they will all feature your favorite, Noah, who hasn't been in the videos for I don't know how long.
A while.
Real while.
Because of college and the fact I don't live here anymore. And yeah.
So the first thing we're going to be opening is the Jesus Advent Calendar. And now this creates a nice little nativity scene at the end.
This is from Precious Moments.
That
So
is-
thank you, Precious Moments, for the free product. Compartment number 1. Oh, it was a drawer.
It's a whole
So
drawer.
before she shows you what's inside, there's little sayings for each day. So I'm gonna read them.
All right, and the first day is...
An angel from heaven told Mary one day, "You have a special surprise on the way." That rhymes.
So is this...
It's Mary.
Is this Mary? This is Mary.
That looks like Mary.
A little tiny Mary. All right, and now we're gonna open up another one from Precious Moments.
This one's the secular one, because all of you, actually everyone over 13 out there knows what that means, so it's fine. Okay, so it comes out and it has a thing in it.
Why?
Don't even trip. It's a Christmas tree.
What?
Whoa!
Wow.
They're like full. That's super cool.
Now where do we-
That's pretty neat.
Daddy figured it out. Never mind.
He's not even over here. And you figured it out.
All right, so what this is you flip it over
Oh my goodness.
and the tree goes on it.
Oh,
Wow.
I'm amazed.
We have started our
This
our
is so cool
journey.
design. I'm into this.
and it's like
Whoever
Velcro.
designed
Everything
this,
you get is
wow.
Velcro, and you put it on there. I
Oh,
assume.
I was very confused as to how it came out.
That is cool.
All right, so number 1 says it's time to open up our tree and set it up for all to see. Thank
Not
you,
bad,
Precious Moments, for the second free product.
Yeah. And now I have this good old advent calendar. This one has some meat in it, some jerky time, because it seemed interesting. And there's alligator in here somewhere. Okay, so it came with this card that says, "You are great." No, wait. It says, "At least one person out of 7.4 billion thinks you are
That's
great."
wonderful.
And then it says, there are probably more. Thank you, card. And then on the back it says, "Dear son, you are our finest creation, like Michelangelo's statue of David, except with clothes on. Love, Mom and Dad." Yeah, that's over 13 right there.
This isn't kids content, despite the fact there's a 3-year-old in the video.
No, it's not for him. Okay, so now we're gonna go ahead and puncture this bad boy open. I think yeah, that's how you do it. Right? No, did I break it? No, okay. You like rip it off, or that's how it's done. Okay, so it comes in this little vacuum sealed pouch, and it says root beer habanero venison strips. And for all you plebs out there, that's deer. Now that is one.
Juicy.
This is one groupie. Yes, that's
piece of meat.
Moist jerky.
Okay. Who wants to try? Emma?
I don't.
No, here you go.
I'm not
Don't
a
eat
beef
it
jerky.
yet.
I'm not a jerky fan.
No, I said not yet. I guess I'm going. It's the root beer habanero venison strips going in.
That's so interesting.
Want to open?
The tech.
Want to open?
It has a very chewy, like.
It's good.
It's a soft
it
texture.
just had a really weird look to it.
So that tasted pretty good.
I know that.
Tasted like deer, and it was good. Kind of spicy. It kind of tasted a little bit like root beer.
Yeah, it is. I think the root beer was unnecessary, but I liked the beef jerky. I liked it.
It is what it is.
And now it's my turn, and I'm opening up 2 because these 2 match the price of Jonah's jerky one and also of Noah's cheese one. All right, now.
Now I need to open up presents.
Yeah.
Exactly.
All right, Micah, do you want to open up this one for me? Just this.
I can't get it.
Well, you're not even looking at it.
Whoa.
What'd you drop?
Oh, I forgot to mention,
Did you break it?
both of mine are jewelry ones.
What is
I think
it?
the second one's makeup.
Oh, okay. This one's jewelry, this one's makeup. Okay, hold on. see a bracelet and a necklace. And I get a charm every day that I can add to the necklace or the bracelet.
Rotated?
Please rotate it and detach the clasp. Save it well. And rescrew the clasp after adding them on.
Save it well and rescrew the clasp after.
Alright, so the first day of this was just the necklace chain, bracelet chain. And I guess the first charm was this little ring that fell out when I first opened it. Please rotate it and detach the clasp. Save it well.
I have saved it well.
And rescrew the clasp after add them on.
That's right.
It's time to open up the makeup one. And this is called Beauty Blast 24 Spectacular Cosmetic Treats.
Whoa, what is it?
Just like a can of tuna.
What is it?
It's makeup.
Makeup.
Yeah, exactly. Makeup.
Oh, is it just glitter?
I think so. Whoop, cover your mouth.
Throw it everywhere.
This is gilded gold.
This is our
Is
tape.
it quality? Give it a critique.
It's just glitter.
I think it's just glitter. There's nothing like sticky to it.
I mean, it's glitter's naturally sticky.
You're right.
Static electricity, guys.
I'm just gonna put it on
Okay.
my
Ever
face.
wonder how
It's
magnets
getting
work?
everywhere. I can feel it.
There's gonna be glitter all in my eyes.
I don't know one of these.
Ooh.
That looks-
Ooh, mistake. Mistake right there. That's gonna be there for like the next week.
I can see it everywhere.
So this is the cheese advent calendar. There are 24 days on here. This is a cheese advent calendar from Aldi's. It was difficult to find and it's super rare. When it was released,
Oh, my
everyone in America
away.
sold out of it like
It's
very quickly
why.
because everyone likes cheese. All right, we're gonna see what's in compartment numero uno.
Where's
This is-
Where is
This is numero uno. I bit my nails off, so this is hard.
Gross.
I don't need to know that.
Is this cheddar or Leicester?
Lester.
That's what it's pronounced. Lester.
Yeah, so this crazy word here, this is pronounced red Leicester.
Wait, let me see. I'm
I
sorry.
think this is cheddar.
It's British.
Because the only two cheeses in this compartment could be cheddar or Leicester. This is for Micah.
Mike doesn't want.
You want some?
It's a small one.
No.
It's like Play-Doh.
Alright, yeah, look.
It smells like cheddar. It smells like
This is definitely, wait.
Smells like cheese.
It's white pizza.
Yeah, it's cheddar.
It's white pizza.
That's just straight up
It's
good
That's
old.
good cheddar.
Pizza.
I'm not too big of a fan of sharp cheddar, but
Cheese.
Cheese.
What type of cheddar is this?
It's like I'm eating those
Sweet and strong cheddar cheese.
This is-
This is good cheddar. It's
And now it's time for the PR gifts, and we have 3 of them. Go.
Micah, open this.
Micah's opening it. He's getting to it already.
Wednesday.
Go ahead, Micah.
Pizza one.
Yeah.
I see something. Woo.
Whoa!
My dad watches Ryan. He knows how to do it.
I see something. I see something.
Address is where?
What is it?
It's
Animoodles.
Noodles.
Thank you, Animoodles.
For the free product.
Let's open it. What's inside?
Read that. Whoa. All right, let's see what's inside.
What's inside? I see something.
Okay.
Woo!
It's a moodle.
Aw, that's
I
cute.
can.
Whoa!
Oh no.
Its head came off. What?
Here's a moodle.
I can't
Here's
hold it.
one moodle.
Yeah.
Ah, that's tragic.
Here's a second moodle.
Here,
Oh
no.
my goodness!
Oh, their heads
This
come
is
off.
terrifying.
No,
What
it's
is-
epic. It's so cool.
What's coming up?
What is this?
You have to. You
Switch
get
their
to.
heads.
Yeah, you can switch their heads and their arms and their tails.
You can take their own. Oh my goodness.
Noah, read this.
Sit
Detach,
detached.
scroll. Oh my goodness. This is
Look. This is
Combine.
Oh my
Combine.
goodness.
Give me the head of yours.
Holy cow!
Take everything
I can
off.
give him an arm for a head. Oh.
Okay, Micah.
This is the best thing I've seen. in
Oh,
my
sorry.
life.
I didn't
You
know.
look
Okay, Micah,
like-
make one. Make
Oh
one.
my goodness!
Emma's.
Holy cow!
All the heads. Yeah, Micah's making one.
Check
Okay.
this out.
Incredible!
Yeah. Okay,
No.
so you use the magnets,
Emma's is
Micah.
all
Like this
Oh my
arm.
gosh!
You put it.
This is
No.
amazing.
All right.
On the
So you
side.
can.
I didn't know what I was getting into when I saw that first decapitation.
Animoodles are magnetic stuffed animals that you can detach things from and reattach them. They get capes. This is great. I love this.
It can have a.
Mine
Mine doesn't have a head.
This is-
I was just trying to make a
I
normal one.
wish
It
things
was
were
a
around when I was a
bee
kid This would have really
What's this
changed my
one?
life.
Okay.
We need
About this
bee
idea.
head. I need bee head.
Look, mine actually works.
Bam! This is my creation.
That's my creation.
Look at his creation. Yay, Micah, you made a creation.
Make a bee creation.
Bam.
Practically
Make a bee
rivaling
creature.
Picasso at this point.
Make,
Wow.
make
Here,
a
Noah, take this one.
dragon
It's 2 heads.
bee.
And if you put all the heads onto each other, they call it a fun wheel.
It's flying.
This one is a donation one.
We got the bee.
All right. So we have a Cookie Swirl C lot of looks doll.
Oh yeah.
Bada bing, look at that.
Oh, this is from Mattel, so thank you Mattel for the free product. This is the chocolate chip doll.
You replace the size with chocolate chips.
There
Now
are
that.
100+ combos.
I wish I could do that with my eyes.
Luca fell asleep, but this tiny present here is for him, even though he's sleeping.
Micah, do you want to open it for Luca?
Oh man, look at the giraffe.
Do you want to open it?
What is it?
Okay, so this is a dimple. It's a keep their attention toy. I realize this is the back of the product,
I want to open them up.
and this is the front.
So you push in the things and they go flop.
Ooh, wait, I like this.
And this is by Fat Brain Toys. So thank you, Fat Brain Toys, for the free product.
Hold it. Can we hold it? Whoa! Gaga.
Okay. Probably get that. There you go, Micah and Luca.
It's pretty cool.
There you go, Luca.
Ooh,
Micah, you give it to Luca tomorrow, okay?
That's pretty fat brain.
he said need Micah. It's Luca, so you can play with it for now.
This is pretty good.
Hold it up, Luca, Micah.
I do
see,
like-
I see the appeal.
All right,
Hello.
Yeah.
tune in tomorrow
Hello.
at some
I
time.
need to be a superhero.
And tune in tomorrow at sometime before 12 for the second installment of this year's Advent Calendar series. Thank you for watching. Please comment, share, subscribe, thumbs up.
I want this one.
Follow us on Twitter.
Oh.
And peace out, YouTube.
Excuse
I
me?
want this one. I want this one.
Bye-bye, YouTube.